We'll guide you through how to increase microphone volume in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want your mic volume to be higher. We're going to guide you through some different ways you can try doing this. Make sure this is full guide as we're guiding you through doing this within different apps and also within Windows as a whole as well. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So first of all, what you want to try doing is you want to go to your sound settings. So you can go and find the sound icon in the bottom right here and right click on it and press sound settings. Alternatively, open up your settings by pressing the Windows Start button and press settings, come into system and find sound. Now you want to scroll down into input. Make sure you go and select the microphone you want to go and use. And then after you've gone and selected it, you want to go and increase the volume in the bottom right here. So you can go and drag it along like I did there. And that will now go and make it louder and higher. Next, what you can do is you can scroll down and go and find more sound settings at the bottom. This will go and give you this pop-up here. You want to come into recording at the top. And now you need to go and find your microphone. So you can go and scroll down here and you can go and find it. When you find it, you can go and double click on it like so, and you can come to levels. Now this won't apply to all microphones, but some it will. First of all, you've got the volume here, which you can click to drag and increase. But in some microphones, you're going to go and have microphone boost, and you can click, hold, and start increasing this, as you can see, plus 10, plus 20, and even plus 30. So if you've got that option, you can go and increase it. Make sure you go and press, and then you can then press OK and you can go and see if you like it when it's louder. Now, another way you can do this is within Discord. So you can go and check Discord, open it up, come to the bottom left and come to user settings and scroll down, and you want to go and find voice and video to the left into voice. And you want to make sure that your microphone volume is dragged up. Now, if you're wanting to do this in OBS, what you can do is come to OBS. You want to go and find your microphone in Audio Mixer and click on the drop down list, and you want to go and find filters. Press the plus in the bottom left and you want to find gain, press OK. And then what you can do is go and click, hold and increase the gain. So you can then go and increase it to what you want, and that will of course apply to OBS. So you can go and do that there and go and see if that goes and get it to the volume that you want it to. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go and just look on the mic itself. On some mics, there's going to be a control, almost like a little turn, a turn wheel, and you can go and turn it to increase it. If you turn it the wrong way, it can go and decrease it. So go and check that out. Now, last of all, we can actually go and get an application. So I'll just go and open up my web browser here. What you want to do is go and type in APO equalizer, like so. We'll go and click on the download, come to SourceForge at the top, and you can go and press download here. Now you can go and wait. Shortly, it's going to go and download. You can see the countdown there. Here it is. It's been blocked, but we'll click on it and press download a verified file. I've had it before. It's safe. Now you can go and wait for this to go and download. What we're going to do here is come to our file explorer and our downloads. And here it is. So you want to go and double click on it. You'll get a Windows security pop-up, which you need to agree to. And now what we can do is make sure you read this through and agree. I have, so I'll press agree. And we can go and install it like so. In here, make sure you go and select the microphone that you want to go and do this with. It'll restart your audio, by the way, so that'll be fine. And then we'll just go and close this. Now, what you need to do is go and open up Equalizer. So press search at the bottom and type in Equalizer. And here it is. You can go and click on it. At the top, you need to choose the device. So I'm going to choose the microphone that I selected. And then what you can do here is you can come into the pre-amplification and you can go and choose the gain. So you can go and use the arrows to go and increase it and decrease it and go and boost it. So that's it. That is how you can go and increase your mic volume. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this.